Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create an account on Medium. To create an account on Medium, all you have to do is to launch any browser of your choice, and in the search bar of your browser, type in medium.com, and that's going to walk you into the official website for Medium, which we have in here. Now, if you head over to the top right corner of the screen, you're going to have a couple of tabs, which include Our Story, Membership, Rights, Signing, and Get Started. Now, go ahead and click on Get Started, and you are provided with these options for signing in. So you can actually sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook or sign up with email, whichever one is the most convenient for you. Just click on any of these options and follow through with the step-by-step processes to create your account. So I like to think that signing up with Google is very easy and straightforward. So I'm just going to click on sign up with Google. And that's going to take me into the next window where I have to select the account for this purpose. So I'm just going to click on this account, and the next thing is the confirmation of the account. So over here, I'm just going to head over to continue to the Medium page or to the signing up processes. As you can see, this is loading, and this is just like, hey, Effie, welcome. We're just waiting for the next instruction, and we're just moving from there. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection to ensure that there are no delays. So finally, we're here. It says almost there. Finish creating your account for the full Medium experience. So what's your full name? I'd like to stick with Mark Amanda, and this is my email. Now click on the create account button, and it's going to take you to the next step. What are you interested in? Now, this is the most important part of your signing in process. You need to let them know what you are interested in. I'm just going to say self-improvement, writing, relationships. So you can go over here to make the changes if you want to. All right, you can edit this much later. So now is this window that says support great writing and access all stories on Medium. So you can pay monthly or pay annually. You can be a member, pay $5 per month, or a friend where you can pay $15 per month. But I'm not going to use any of the paid versions. I'm just going to click on continue with a free account, or continue to free account, because I just want a free account for this tutorial. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, following for you, leadership books, relationship writing, self-improvement. I think I like this. Now my account has been set up. As you can see, it's pretty cool. You can head over to write, click on write, and continue writing, or you can just browse through any of those options. You can use the search bar to search on any topic or category of writing that you really want to enjoy on Medium. Now this pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.